Good day, everyone! Today, we'll be discussing the importance of a well-designed technical content structure and how it relates to Contents Dynamics expertise and service offerings. Contents Dynamics is a leading provider of technical writing and documentation services, catering to various industries such as healthcare, software development, and manufacturing. Our team of experts understands the critical role of technical content in delivering accurate and consistent information to your audience, and we believe that having a well-designed content structure is vital to achieving that. One of our core strengths is our knowledge of logical principles in technical writing, including the 5 commonly used principles of chronological order, alphabetical order, frequency of tasks, latest to earliest information, and top-down order. By choosing the appropriate principle for your content, we can help you enhance the user experience, making it easier for readers to find the information they need. We also follow specific guidelines in structuring technical content to ensure that your documents are easy to read and navigate. We divide the information into sections and subsections, use headings that clearly specify the content of the section, and avoid using too many subsections and levels of information. For online technical content, we ensure that each logical element of content can be read without having to scroll, while for print content, PDF, we limit the length of each logical element of content. Our real-world applications in technical writing are extensive. In the software development industry, well-structured technical documents such as user manuals, API documentation, and technical specifications are vital to ensure the efficient creation and maintenance of software. In healthcare, well-structured technical documents such as medical manuals and clinical guidelines are essential for providing accurate and consistent information to healthcare professionals and patients. Our team is well-versed in the unique requirements of these industries and can tailor our services to your specific needs. As for AI drawbacks, while AI can provide valuable insights, it may have limited understanding of context, creativity, and ability to account for the user experience, among other things. That's why our team of experts combines technical expertise with a human touch, providing you with content that is not only accurate but also engaging and effective. In conclusion, having a well-designed technical content structure is essential to creating an efficient and effective user experience. At Contents Dynamics, we offer a wide range of services, including technical writing, documentation, and consulting, to help you achieve that. Trust us to provide you with accurate, consistent, and well-structured technical content that meets your specific needs. Thank you for your time, and we look forward to hearing from you soon.